Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian denied allegations of sexual misconduct following the lawsuit. Welcome to Celebs Unlock. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming celebrity gists. Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian deny sexual assault allegations after trial. Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian have denied the absurd allegations made against them in a lawsuit filed by former security guard Mark McWilliams. According to court documents obtained by E! News, McWilliams is suing the two reality TV stars and the security company he contracted with for wrongful termination. He also accuses Jenner of sexual harassment, retaliation, and uncooperative conduct, claiming that she cut his hours and denied him lunch breaks before ultimately firing him, leading him to file a complaint with his employer. As for the sexual harassment allegations, McWilliams claims that Jenner made numerous sexually suggestive comments to him. However, in a statement from Jenner and Kardashian's legal representative Marty Singer, they denied all allegations. Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian categorically deny these absurd claims and maintain that they are completely fabricated and are false fabrications containing no truth, the statement read. Stated. Kris categorically denies any inappropriate behavior towards Mark McWilliams. Security guards work outside the home and have never entered Kris' home. The statement continued, furthermore, Kris had very little contact with him. After the security guard was repeatedly caught falling asleep in his car while on duty, the security company was asked not to have the security guard work there in the future. Importantly, the security guard had never complained about Kris to his employer until he made this ridiculous claim. They also said that although Kourtney is named in her complaint, she is not accused of doing anything inappropriate with the security guard, nor is she the person who did it. No, he also points out. Singer further stated, if Kris and Kourtney win this ridiculous and frivolous lawsuit, I will immediately sue McWilliams and his attorneys for malicious prosecution. Following Singer's remarks, McWilliams' attorney Sean Novak told E! In the News, the allegations contained in the filed complaint are based on specific facts and evidence. Our firm does not pursue frivolous litigation. Our reputation speaks for itself, and any accusation by anyone that we do not do our due diligence in filing complaints is patently false and defamatory. Novak continued, we look forward to challenging this matter in court. A federal judge has dismissed Aerosmith frontman Steven Tyler's sexual assault lawsuit. A federal judge in Manhattan has permanently dismissed a sexual assault lawsuit filed against Aerosmith frontman Steven Tyler. This means that the plaintiff will not be allowed to amend or file similar claims in the future. Last fall, former teen model Jean Bellino, 66, filed a lawsuit against a 76-year-old man, accusing him of forcibly molesting her in a New York City phone booth in 1975. While holding her captive, in the phone booth, Tyler forced his tongue down her throat and placed his hands on her body, breasts, buttocks, and genitals, moving and removing her clothing and pinning her against the wall of the phone booth. According to the complaint, Tyler ripped and groped Bellino, fucked her while pretending to have sex with Bellino. The others stood by the phone booth and laughed, and while passers-by watched and witnessed, no one from the surroundings intervened. The complaint adds, Tyler's penis was erect, and when he rubbed it against her, it was obvious to her that he was not wearing underwear or thin pants. Bellino struggled to get free, but Tyler held her back. U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan dismissed Bellino's suit without prejudice, meaning he could not refile the case. This is the second time he has dismissed Bellino's claims against Tyler. In February, he said Mr. Tyler's actions did not pose a substantial risk of physical harm, and Mr. Bellino could use the 2-year deadline under the Gender-Based Violence Act to take legal action. He said it would be. Kaplan gave him until March 13 to amend his complaint. We agree with the judge's reasoning and are grateful for this outcome on behalf of our client, David Long Daniels, Tyler's lawyer, told Reuters in a statement at the time. Input. Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian deny sexual assault allegations after trial. Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian deny sexual assault allegations after trial. Kris Jenner and Kourtney Kardashian have denied the absurd allegations made against them in a lawsuit filed by former security guard Mark McWilliams.